are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and is nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and ratings online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. We talk about the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. Guests will be required present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is attractive and chairs love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book the link provided in the description. For more details, check description below. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting.